Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to create this look. I love how it has turned out. All the links of the products will be mentioned in the description below, so do check them out. Also please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. And now let's get started. For primer I am using Smashbox Primer Water. It gives a nice glow. Next I am using LA Girl Peach Corrector. Also, this beauty blender is from Plume Cosmetics and it is so soft, you guys. You should definitely try this. I will mention the exact name in the description below. Next I am using L'Oreal Infallible Concealer to conceal my under eyes. I am even using it at places where I think I need a little coverage, as we are not using foundation for this look. Next, setting everything in using My Glam's Lit Radiant Matte Compact. I have been loving this compact recently. It sets everything in without making you look completely matte. Next, for my eyebrows, I am using the darkest brown shade from the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. Using My Glam's Chisel It Contour Kit in the shade Poker Face to contour my cheekbones. Using the same contour shade in my crease as a transition shade. And then using the highlighter from the palette as a lid topper. I love how pretty it looks. Next, using blush from the same palette. It is a nice pink blush. Using the Faces Canada Magnetized Liner. For mascara, I am using Smashbox's Superfan Mascara. It is a lengthening mascara. Now, using the highlighter from the same My Glam palette, I am going to highlight the high points of my face, that is cheekbones, forehead, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow and chin. Next, using My Glam's Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Kitten Fish on my lips. And this is the final look, you guys. Tell me what do you think about this bold yet wearable look in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram as I do post some content there too. And I shall see you in my next video. Bye.